Hey people, for today's life motivation,
you have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet.
yes, you. You don't have to let anyone make you feel like you're an option. Because girl, you've got what it takes to be the heaven of someone, deserving of yourself, your love, and your passionate desires to make that relationship work. You're not just somebody who can be abused, used, and loved only when it's convenient for them. Give yourself the 80-20 rule. Leave that 20% for yourself because, honey, that is self-respect. And that 20% is the one that you will use to stand when all of the 80% have been exhausted and not been replenished. Remember, if you love hard and it's been given to the person that is meant for you, you will feel that blissful feeling, and that someone will always, always choose you and not just be an option.
Come all ye faithful,